Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth Jackson. I'm the owner of Public Property. I just wanted to introduce myself before we meet. What's going to happen is a member of my team is going to call you, they're going to engage in a conversation with you and ask you some questions about who you are and what you know about the industry. Please don't be offended by that. That's our way of firstly understanding what your needs and requirements are, but it also gives me time to prep for our meeting. The second thing that's going to happen is you and I are going to have a discussion, and I'm going to delve in a little deeper to find out how we can assist you during that consultation. And then based on that, I'm going to be able to either offer you some direction, offer you a solution with Public Property, but either way, you'll leave that meeting with a better understanding of the best direction for you and your family. If we do work together, we're going to assess your site initially for any knockdown rebuild. And then if we feel that your site is going to work for a knockdown rebuild, then we'll have a discussion with you about fees and the next part in working with us. So there will be an engagement fee. That fee will cover our time for you, and it will also cover the time with our builder, because our builder has a lot of work to do to assess your property and get it ready for that SDA knockdown rebuild. At any stage during the process, you're welcome to call me and ask me any questions. I'm here to help you. I've been doing this for a very long time. I look forward to meeting you and your family. I'm Elizabeth Jackson and I'm the owner of Public Property.